welcome back to the channel, everyone. Tony here. Merry Christmas to everyone. Today we're going to go out and do the Twisted Sisters ride. There's 3 of them, so we're going to go ahead and attempt to do all 3. And right now we're starting at Kerrville as far as the vlog, but I started in Austin. It was about a 2-hour ride through Dripping Springs, and then from there to Johnson City, and then to Fredericksburg, and then now I'm in Kerrville, and from here we've got another 50 minutes till we get to the Twisted Sisters first leg. That will take us down to, I think, Leaky, and then we're kind of circle around and go back up again. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and try to do all 3 of the Twisted Sisters and see what happens. So come along. Okay, so here we're turning on to 41. I think that was 27. All right, so here's the first leg of the Twisted Sisters. And we're heading to take this to Leaky. So first leg, Twisted Sisters. Gorgeous sky. The ride out here was really nice. It was pretty laid back. You know, the section from Dripping Springs all the way to Fredericksburg, and then from Fredericksburg to Kerrville, that was okay. You know, but from Kerrville to 41 was pretty nice. So it's been overall a really nice ride. And now out here on Twisted Sister Leg 1, so we'll see how that goes. This is nice. Very cool. Colors are kind of faded. They're kind of a little burnt right now. I'll have to come back here next year in the fall when the colors are really nice. Still, the colors are real pretty. It's hard to pick it up on the camera, but it is pretty nice. see if we can't take a peek here. That's really cool. The canyon. Now I see why this ride gets such rave reviews. It's really nice. All this loose gravel's a little unnerving, but
I feel so ashamed what I did to you, but here's my confession, it's the least I can do. You know I was trying, it was never enough. I needed somebody, but it got too much. And I know that I've got my problems, and sometimes I lay them on you. But hear me out and give me a chance to say it out loud.
I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control, and it's making me crazy. If you could only look at me, you know how I feel, know how I feel. Oh, see how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Think twice before you let me go. My eyes are mirrors of my soul. See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into,
like their lighting system. That's pretty cool. Very nice. Alright, so that was the first Twisted Sister. So from 41 over to Leaky. We're going to go ahead and fuel up at Leaky, and then we're going to go ahead and take the next sister and see if we can't get all three. Ah, cool. Looks like a bike stop for bikers. That'd be a fun ride to just go to Leaky, turn around and go back on that. Because it's a whole different ride going the other way, because then you got the uphills that were your downhills. Alright, so here we are at Leaky. We're going to go ahead and get some gas and then start the next leg.